Hello, I'm the Budget Modeler and this is episode 10 of my Suyata, Fokker DR.1 and Red Baron build. If you're watching this then please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like, leave a comment and ring my bell. That'd be brilliant. Thank you. Firstly, I want to talk about a charity event coming up in aid of Models for Heroes. It's being run over on Model Officers Mess by my good friend James Skiffins. What we do is we spend the whole weekend, that's 48 hours, building a 1/48 scale model, so 48 in 48. You can join in by going over to his Facebook group, joining in there. We raise money for Models for Heroes by donations to the Just Giving page and by doing an online auction. And boy, are the auction lots amazing this year. We're going to try and beat our total from last year, which was 3,600, which was enough to help over 100 beneficiaries, which is absolutely amazing. So come along, join in and give generously. Details are in the description below. Anyway, I've bored you enough with that. Don't worry, I will be hammering it more. Anywho, time to get on. Here I'm masking off the white areas as I'm not happy with how the white panels are looking. So I'm going to respray them. Anyway, without further ado, let's crank up the speedy uppy thing and crack on. There we have the Fokker all masked up. Now spray it white. That's a couple of coats of white on there, which look pretty good. Now to unmask. I love and loathe this part. I love pulling the masking tape off with the anticipation of crisp lines and everything else. But I loathe what might happen. You know, bits come off, crappy lines, etc, etc. Anywho, let's get this done. That has come out really nice. I'm dead chuffed with that. There are some overspray bits, but we're going to use Dathomir Skies from Star Wars Legion to rectify all that. So let's crack on. There we have all the overspray sorted out. Next up, we can put the top wing on, finally. We'll start with the eyelets, then the cabanes, and finally put the top wing on. So let's get this cracked. There we go, that's the minimal rigging sorted. I had to replace a couple of the eyelets too. Now to glue the prop and tail supports into place. So let's get those cracked, shall we? There we have the prop and the supports for the tail all glued in place. Guess what comes next? Yep, deckling! I'm using spare decals from Meng's 1/32 DR1 as the Suyata decals are a little sparse, shall we say? I'm using hot water heated by a wax heater as I personally find the decals release quicker when dipped in hot water. Anywho, I'm digressing, I'm not going to open that tin. So, let's get these decals sorted, shall we? It was at this point he realised he was reading the wrong instructions. Better go get the right ones. There we have all the decals done. Thank God I could do it in one sitting, and they're looking really good. We'll have to pop them over there for 24 hours to let the decals dry and set. Next we're going to clean Snoopy up a bit before we give him a priming. So let's crack on with that. That's Snoopy all cleaned up and ready for a prime. Now for the Baron. We need to get this face sorted, so this is attempt number 2. Firstly, I'm really sorry about the poor camera work during the face painting. I got so absorbed in it that I completely forgot that I was recording it. Anyway, so there we have his face done. I'm happy with that second attempt. And you know what they say? Practice makes perfect. Allegedly. Anywho, this seems like a good a place as any to end. So, thank you for watching episode 10. If you want to see what happens in episode 11, please subscribe to my channel. Help it grow, like the video, leave a comment and ring my bell. Remember folks, stay safe, keep on modelling.